Hello, hello everybody, it's Mindy and I have a Diamond Art Club to show you today. I know, a Diamond Art Club, right? I haven't gotten very many Diamond Art Clubs lately. This one is from the Christmas release. What were there, 26 or so? How many did you get? How many did you get? I'll tell you how many I got. This one. One. Yep, that's all I got. You know, I am trying my best to keep my spending down a bit. And honestly, you know, there were a few that I liked, but, you know, I guess not enough to pull the trigger. So anyhow, let me show you what I got. You won't be surprised. You will not be surprised. Okay? Let me show you. Toolkit, diamond painting, and sticker. All right, here we go. Sticker. It is windy as all get out today, man. Stuff is blowing like crazy. Gnome tree lights, Susan Wingate, right? So I was going to do this one. I thought I was going to do this one for my Christmas painting, my December painting. Plans have changed, though. Plans have changed. Oh, goodness. Just trying to keep up with life here, trying to keep up. What comes in the toolkit? I know that these are changing, right? Like no cover minders in the future, that kind of stuff. I don't know. They're probably going to do away with washi tape too, probably, because they're going to do their fancy new release paper cover thing. I don't know how you get these things on here. I seriously don't. I always fight with them. Anyhow, brown, squishy, and pen. Potted wax. Pot of wax. Selection of baggies. Tray with a stopper. And your 4 and your 7 placer. All right. Then we have our washi tape, which is like a floral, pretty floral water tape. Really? Washi tape. Goodness. And here's my cover minder. One of my last few cover minders. I don't know how many I'll get, but I love this one. I'll take all of those I can get. What do I need more for? I don't know. I like that one. I like that one a lot. All right. Here we go. Let's get into it. Get it out of the bag. I didn't tear the bag. I tore the glue. Oh, boy. Okay. Soft back canvas. All right. Pinked edges. Poured glue. We're going to roll it backwards. We're going to get it out. We're going to get everything out of the middle and show it to you. Here we go. What do we get inside? It's like the Cracker Jack box. What do you get inside? All right, we get an information sheet. Thank you for your purchase. What's included in your kit, tips and tricks, how to diamond paint, step-by-step instructions, join the VIP group. Take a look here for instructions. Join here for the group. I believe that's the VIP group. And some other codes here on the back. You can get 20% off your first purchase through the app. Or if you want $10 off, you can use 10 off Mindy. That'll get you 10 buckaroos off your painting. All right. Here we go. Here is our sticker sheet. Gnome tree lights. It's Susan Wingate. You knew I was going to get it. It's Susan Wingate. I love all of her stuff. And it's gnomes. I mean, there was no question. Start and end date there. Let's turn it this way. Aren't they cute? They're playing with these lights. Look, they're decorating him. They're putting lights on him and Christmas bulbs like he's a tree. That is cute. Little cardinals on the top. He's helping. He's putting some Christmas bulbs or balls on the tree. It's an 81 centimeter by 50 centimeter. All right. And it has 47 colors. It has one fairy dust drill, and anything under 150 is an AB, so there's like 2. Looks like a green and red AB. Peelable, individually cut stickers, all that good stuff. Okay, here's our drills. Look at all that. Look at all that. A lot of greens and blues on this one. All right, here we go. Are you ready? Look at that. Isn't he adorable? Isn't he cute? Look at his lights here. Oh, good. He's got red AB in the center of his light. Yay. Perfect. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. Bigger than I thought, right? It's a big one. Ooh, it's kind of big. Yeah. It's cute though. It's super cute. I love it. I love it. So they got a Christmas stocking over here with some candy canes. They got this strand of lights and they're trying to wrap them around him and make him all light up. Look, he's got a wreath. He's got some ivy leaves. This cardinal's helping over here. He's holding the strand of lights. He's got a basket. What do we got? Do we have holly berries? It's holly, isn't it? Holly jolly Christmas. And then we got the pine trees in the back. And then all that blue sky. Very, very wintry, right? It's a winter wonderland. And then I like the sky with these snowflakes. I mean, look at the big snowflakes in the background. I like those. All right. I was thinking, are they AB? Are they fairy dust? Nope, they're not. They are just $38.65. So that's that. I learned something. Diamond Art Club will always do their darkest symbol as the dot, right? So in this case, it's 310 and it's that white dot. Now, if it was, say, 3371 was the darkest symbol, that would get the dot. And their lightest symbol gets the little square. This is a square, all right? Their lightest symbol will get the square. So that's 3865 gets the little square. And their darkest symbol gets the dot. I did not know. Okay, legend on both sides. Do an extra sparkle at the top. All the social medias are at the bottom. You want to see them up close? Follow them on Facebook. Follow them on Instagram. Okay? All their licensing information and sizing is down here in this corner. Love it. I think it's adorable. I think it is super, super cute, right? I was getting ready to do this when I was prepared. It's what I bought it for. And then circumstances changed and I'm doing something different for December. So you're going to have to wait, little guys. You're going to have to wait. But let's look at your drills. All right. Gnome tree lights. Gnome tree lights. He's a tree. I think it's super cute. Super, super cute. What's not to love about a gnome that's dressed up like a tree? He's a Christmas tree. All right, let's zoom you in. Show you the drills. 927. What do we call that? A blue gray. That's what I would call that. Kind of like our day today. Bluey gray. 38.65. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of 38.65. Then we have some more blue to bluey gray colors. A bunch of them. There's 37.56. That's one of my favorites. More gray. Green. 932 blue. 2 of those. 415 gray. 2. 936, 581, and 817 red. Alrighty. There's that. We found nothing special. No special drills in that strip at all. All right. They must be coming up here. Oh, and as I say that, there's 107, the red. The red AB. Love it. It is number 2 on our canvas. We will go hunt for that. Another red. Lots of greens. Lots of greens. Okay, here's the fairy dust. And let's see. Can we see the shimmer if we get right up there? Can we? I don't know. It's really hard. Sometimes some of these fairy dusts are really difficult to see the shimmer. There we go. There, let me get you really close. There it is. So I call these a shimmer, where the ABs kind of glisten. They got about a sparkle on top, where this has the little shimmer inside. All right. There's 2 of our special drills. More yellow, more greens, gray, green. There's our little bit of black. Another green. All right, so we got red and yellow. We're only looking for one more, correct? Love 814, that's pretty. How about a mustard color? Some sage greens, another mustard color. Browns, a peachy red, green, peach, Here's our green AB. That's pretty. Not a ton of it, but we'll see where it goes. Okay? So, number one is the green AB. And I've seen it a couple places. It's inside some of the lights. I know that. Like inside this light here, and this light, and this light, we get the green AB. No. No. Inside this light here, and I think it is just the lights, honestly. Just inside the green lights. There's a lot you could do with this. There's a lot you could do with this. I would like to do something a little more special with the snowflakes in the background, besides just the 3865. That's what I would like to do. I don't know. We'll see. At least, yeah, just the snowflakes. I mean, we don't need to do all the snow, but those snowflakes in the background would be so pretty in an AB. I think that's it for the green, guys. I think that's the only place the green can be found. And the red, now the red is a little more widespread. So we get some here in the stocking and the candy canes. The hat, all of this hat is the red AB. There's a few down in here and in here. Yep, the lights, the ball. No, these are the balls. Well, and these are the lights. So the lights and the balls get red AB. We have that much red AB. There's a lot in here. The cardinal, our red AB inside the ball. Let's check out the next hat over here. Yep, more red AB in the hat, more red AB on the cardinal and the ribbons. So there's a lot of red. Wow, I didn't realize there was that much red. Okay, that's good. I like that. And then that yellow fairy dust is a lowercase a. And where is that going to go? Oh, that's perfect. It makes the shine around the lights. So you see, all that lowercase a is like the glow of the light. It's mixed with another color too, but it makes the glow on all of these lights. So a little bit around each one, I think. That's nice. Okay, I like that. Like I said, I would definitely do something with those snowflakes up there. Not all of the snow. Some of the snow can just be snow, but the snowflakes would be a ton of fun to just be AB up there. I think that would be, I might do that when I work on this one. Anyhow, that is my one Christmas painting. One. That's all I got. Got my shadow in there. See my shadow? Ooh. One Christmas painting. I like it. It's cute. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. And hit the like button, subscribe, all those fun things that you can do on YouTube to support your favorite creators. I hope I become one of your favorite creators. Yes, that's what I hope. Anyhow, until next time, I will let you go. And I'll see you soon. All right? Take care, everybody.